it's challenging because when you work in philanthropy, you experience on a daily basis this swing between hope and fear, because you have nothing insight into understanding how little time we have left. At the same time, you try to be optimistic. And every day we hear about poverty, we hear about climate change, about disasters, about displacement. But at the same time, every day we see how our passionate partners are working to change this. So this gives us at least hope that we can drive some systemic change in this. And I think that's what it should be. We should focus on hope. We shouldn't focus on doom and gloom. We should focus on all the opportunities that comes with a shift away from the fossil fuel dependence that we have today. You know, we're going to see better health. We're going to see a cleaner environment. We're going to see healthier food. We're going to see increased job opportunities. You know, only communicating about the dangers of climate change could really lead to despair. So I like to focus on the positives and the positive impact that we will have as we go through this transition, that we change the way we actually deal with the climate change issue and opportunities that comes with them.